Okay, if you guys can see my screen clearly, just type in a Y for me, just one Y, so that I know that you can see my screen. Just type in a Y for me. Thank you so much. So what we are going to talk about on my side is I want to teach you guys what TradingView is. As we said earlier, TradingView, that is a platform where you can analyze your charts. You can either analyze on your MT4, MT5, but the best way, the best place to analyze your charts is on TradingView. That's what I would recommend. TradingView, if you go on Google and type in TradingView, you can even download it on your mobile devices. It is available on Google Play Store, right? So what you need to do is once you come on your charts, this is I'm opening a new TradingView chart. You come to this page. Once you come to this page, you go under product, under products, and then you select charts. It will now open like this. So I will show you how to, firstly, we will concentrate on the right side where you can add your pairs, either your pairs or your commodities, your indices, and your stocks. You can click on this button here on the far right. It's labeled watch list and details. You click on there. I think my network is a bit slow, but let's wait for it to pull up. Let me just try to remove everything and you can start from fresh. Okay, so once you open your watch list panel, you click on plus. There comes all the stocks. There is all the stocks, there's features, Forex, crypto, indices, bonds, and economy. So you can go on all, and then maybe you want to trade, let's say, Euro, USD. And then there comes Euro, USD, and these are other brokers that have got Euro, USD. So you can choose any. Click on plus. There it's appearing. Once you click there, you close here. There, it is now labeled Euro USD, right? Let me remove my indicators that I had put previously. So next step that I will show you is the time frame that we have. Now you know how to add all your pairs, right? You can type in any pair that you want and you add it there on the watch list, and you can simply go there and click it and it will come on your dashboard. Maybe you are a scalper, right? Let's say you are a scalper or you are an intraday trader, right? So it means you should analyze your charts on smaller time frames. You get the time frames here. You click here. These are the time frames that you find: 1 minute, 3 minutes, up to 1 month. So if you click maybe on 1 month, yeah, it simply means this candle that you are seeing here, it represents 1 month information. it has got one month data. As you can see here, it started on the 1st of July 2022. So this candle will end on the 31st of July 2022, and on the 1st of August, you get a new candle right here. This, the previous one, it was for June. The previous one, it was for May and April, and all of them, they represent 1 month data. So if maybe you had bought your Euro USD on here when it was here, right? And now it is here, it means you have made a profit already. But if you bought here and the price is coming down, it means you are making a loss. But if you are selling, in Forex, you make money either by selling or by buying. You can sell or you can buy. You can make money both ways. From month, you come into a week, let's just skip week and say maybe 1 day, because it's all the same. So this candle right here, it is candle for today, 19 July. As you know, today's date is 19 July, right? And this previous one is for 18 July. And you also have this one for 15 July. We have got 15 July, then 18 July. Why? 15 July was on a Friday. Saturday, Sunday, markets are closed. And then you come to Monday, 18 July, and today, 19 July, and so forth. So this is where you change. This is where you change all your time here, right? Perfect. These candles that you see here, they are called candlesticks. This is where all the data is. They are called candlesticks. We have got different types of candlesticks. When it is green like this, it means the candlestick is bullish. When it is red like this, it means the candlestick is bearish. Bearish market, it means the price is going down. And the bullish markets, it means the price is going up. But it doesn't necessarily mean that the colors it doesn't change. The colors can change. You can change to whatever color that you want, as long as you know that this color is bearish and this color is bullish. But almost everyone, we use red and green. Red is standing for bearish and green standing for bullish. If you want to change candlestick patterns, you come here, you click here. This is where you see here. If you maybe you want to use bars, you see they are changing to bars. This is a bar. You might also have a line graph. It's now here. This is now a line, like a line graph. It means the price is in this line here. But I wouldn't recommend us for now as beginners to use all this. We should stick to candles. So now I'm not going to show you all other candles because they will confuse you. So for example, let's take this. I'm going to increase this. This bullish candle here. A candle has got an opening price and a closing price. On this bullish here, this is the opening price right here on this pin, but this is an opening price. Means the price today, the price opened at 1.0155. And it pushed all the way to 1.02652. This is a wick, right? This long here, it's called a wick, and this is called shadow, where all the data is now. But today the price is managed to push all the way to this wick, and it is rejected. It's coming down to 1.02478. Right? If you are still together, kindly type in a Y for me. If you are lost, just type in a no. If we are still together, kindly type in a Y. This is where the price opened here, on this bottom here, on 1.01190, and it pushed all the way to 1.02687. And now currently it's at 1.02513. That's where the price is currently at. But the day hasn't finished yet. So it might push up again, or it might push down again. As I always say, no one knows where the price is going. Nobody knows the next price. So we work with assumptions, we work with predictions. We are, I hope we've all understood the bullish candle. Let's come to a bearish candle, the red here. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. It is also an opening price and a closing price. Opening price and then closing price. So if it's bullish, if it's bearish, it means it started from the top week here. It started here. The price started at 1.00598, and it pushed all the way down to this week here at 0.99519, and then it retraced back again. Now the price is at 1.0011. That's where the price is at currently. So we are going to see whether it's going to close bullish or bearish. So here it was on the 14th of July. It closed bearish because it's red here. Meaning when the price closed, the bears were in control of the market. It pushed down here and then it retraced back. Where the time it was retracing back, the bulls were in control. But then by the close, they had no much power, and then the bears came and closed it here. This is a bearish candle and this is a bullish candle. How to analyze charts? Maybe let's say you are a intraday trader. You want to analyze on 4-hour time frame. What you do now is you zoom out your chart. Maybe you're using a laptop or you've got a bigger screen. You zoom out like this to have, more information, more data on your screen. You zoom out like this, right? And sorry for that. You zoom out like this, and let's say the strategy that we are going to use to make money is support and resistance in trend lines. When you say support and resistance, every price has got a support and resistance. Just like in a house, the floor is the support and the ceiling is resistance. So whatever goes up to resistance, we expect it to come down to support. If you throw a ball up, you expect it to come down, right? So we will be dealing with a strategy called support and resistance. Support and resistance, let's say here on this chart, I'm gonna take my horizontal line. My horizontal line here, you get all your drawing tools, you get them on your far left. So like this here, I came here, I clicked here, and I want my horizontal line here, this one. For me now to draw my supports, I first check where the price was rejected most. I'm checking here and I can see that this might be my support because let me just try to draw it. Yes, like this. This is my support. The price was here and it came down here and it bounced back. Same as here. The price was, the price is coming from the top. The BAs were in control and it was supported here. And it went up again and it supported here and it went up and it broke here. So meaning when support has been broken, that support is now turned into resistance. It's no longer support, it's now resistance. So now this is now our resistance. We now need to find a new support. So for me, if I look backwards, everything that you need to do when you're on TradingView, you should look backwards for what happened backwards. Here, I managed to figure out my support because I looked here and I saw, oh, the price bounced there, so it must be my support. But here now it's broken, so it's now acting as a resistance. So meaning I have to get a new support. The price, I can see the price was supported here on this level. The price came from the resistance, it went down, it went down, it went down, and it was supported here, and now it's going up. So now we are assuming the price is going back to test this resistance again. If it tests this resistance and fails to break it to go up, it should come down again to test the support. Price should come down to test this support. So if you were here, if you manage to buy your euros here on this level at 0.99481, you bought, right? It means you are in profit because the price is now here at 1.02642. That is, maybe you're expecting to take your profit here because we're assuming the price is supposed to test this before either breaking up again or coming down again. We do not know the next price, so we do not know where it is going. But here it was previous, it was obvious that it was supposed to go and take and test this resistance. It is supposed because that is my last support. If I look here at the back here, there is no other support. You see, the chart is clean. So it is obvious that the price is going to test this resistance now. So support is the floor, is the base. Resistance is the ceiling. If you break the resistance, it means the resistance has now become support. If you break this resistance, it means you are now having support. Right? If you guys understand, just type in a Y. If no, just type in a no for me, please. If you guys understand, just type in a Y for me. If you are lost somewhere, just type in a no. I see Ys, I see Ys, I see Ys, thank you. I see Ys, thank you. So that means we now know what support is, we now know what resistance is. Now I am going to show you the other two that we use. I showed you horizontal line. The other two that we are going to be using is called a trend line. This, you get it here. A trend line also acts as support and resistance. What is a trend line? A trend line is a line that connects 2 points, 2 or more points, in fact. So let's say, let's give, for example, here. We want to connect this point here. We're drawing our trend line. To here. You see, from this point, and the price came down, and it went back, it tested this trend line, meaning it was acting as a resistance. And it came down, it came down, and it went back again to test it, right? It tested it here, and it failed, and it came back. And then it tested and it broke. So now, meaning, if it was acting as resistance here, it is now support. So the price is now here, right? Because it broke on the 19th of July at 1 a.m. This is the New York time. It broke at 1 a.m. New York time. And now it's 9 a.m. New York time, right? Now we need to know if it's gonna come back again and test this trend line to go up now, or it will test and break it and come back down. So those are the kind of analysis that we will be doing, predicting if it's gonna break this trend line and come down, or it's gonna come test it and go up. If it comes back and test it, we would wait for confirmation for another candle here going up, and then we'll take a buy and it goes up. But if it comes back and breaks this trend line and breaks down here, it means we can't take a buy, we have to look for sells. So when price reaches support, you look for buys. If it doesn't break that support, you look for buys. If price test, if price is at resistance and it doesn't break out, you look for sells. Meaning if price is here, like here, right? It was above this was previously support, right? And the price came down here, it broke this, meaning it was now acting as resistance, right? So once it broke here, we were now looking for sells. So if you sold here, it means you will be in profit. You sell here and you said maybe you'll take profit on this on this support. So support and resistance will act as take profits and will also set them as stop losses. We will determine our stop losses and our take profits after seeing where our support is and where our resistance is. So if you look on your trading view and you come to your left here, you just need to go there and play around with it and, you know, see what this tool is used for, what this tool is used for, what this tool is used for. But, you know, all these usually they are like, we don't use them. I myself, I don't use it. I only use a trend line and a horizontal line. That's all I use here. If I come here, I only use what you call a Fibonacci retracement, but I will demonstrate in our next video. For now, you don't have to worry and, and be fed with so much information. If I come here, there is nothing that I use what I call a rectangle. All these others, we don't need to use them. So I will send you a PDF with all these information, and it's now your job to read and use that information on your charts. Maybe one more thing I can show you on this trading view is how to set your take profits and your stop losses. So you come here on this one, you click here. If you want maybe to take a long position, it means it's a buy. Long, it means buy. Short, it means sell. So if we're saying we are taking a long, it means we are taking a buy. If we are saying we are taking a short, it means we are taking a sell. So let's say we want to take a long position. Let's say we want to buy. Once the price is maybe here, we are buying. If this candle here reaches this resistance and it breaks, it means we can buy maybe here. We are buying here, and we can set our stop loss maybe somewhere here on our last support, and take profits. We take it. Maybe our next target that we want to reach is here. We are now looking for the next resistance. We're coming from support, right? So we are now looking for the next resistance. So we are hoping the price will reach here. So if this candle here breaks this line that I put here, this purple line that I put there, if it breaks and comes here, and we have another candle, another confirmation candle to test this purple line, and it fails and continues to go up, we take a long position to come here. So meaning now our target will be 0.8063 and our stop loss will be just here. So you are risking this portion. You are risking this portion to get this portion. Are we guys still together? We are risking this portion here to gain this portion. So usually we say our risk to reward ratio, we use 1:3. You are risking 100 rand to gain 300 rand. So you must be, as a trader, you must be willing, maybe you've got a 1,000 rand account. As a trader, you must be willing to lose 100 rand for you to gain 300 rand. You can't be expecting to gain only without giving something to the market. Expect to lose something, meaning if you bought it here, right, and the price goes up, you are gaining 300 rand. But if the price decides to turn against you, it means you are going to lose 100 rand. It doesn't mean that it's a must that you have to lose. If your analysis is correct, you bought it here and the price is pushing, going up, it means you're not going to lose anything. You're going to gain only 300 rand. But if it comes down and you put your stop loss maybe here at 100 rand, you're going to risk that 100 rand. And if your stop loss is here, it means your trade will be automatically closed. You do not have to worry. You might take a trade and leave your phone there or your computer there and go do something else. You know that your trade is playing out the way you want. You must not be greedy now if the price comes here. Take your profit here. Because what is price going to do? Once the price gets here, it will come back again to test all these areas. It will come back to test here or it will come back to test here. So if it comes back, it means you are now losing that 300 rand that was already here. You are now losing it. So once you are here, take your profits and close your trade and start looking for sales. Start looking for sales. Sales, you put, sales we are saying is short position, right? So we are now saying, if the price starts to retrace down, right? Maybe you put your stop loss here and your take profits here. You enter here. The price tested this resistance and it came down, and we've got confirmation that is going down. And you take profit here. So you make money both ways. You make money by buying or by selling, if your analysis is correct. You buy, you make money, you sell, you make money. So we are going to be teaching you all this, how to, you know, how to analyze these charts, how to place a trade, how to set your trade profit, how to set your stop loss. I'm hoping this information is benefited you. If not, we will continue, you know, to be teaching you till you get it. I understand that you are all beginners and we all started there. We all started there. We only need to have patience. So now I'm going to open the platform for questions before we are left with 6 minutes. If you've got a question, raise your hand and I will see you and unmute you. Obviously, we should have questions. If we do not have questions, it means that I did a good job and I deserve to see an FX Academy in the comment section. If we did understand, I deserve to see a FX Academy, that just to confirm that, you know, we understood. Questions, just raise your hands, I'll unmute you. And if you guys understood, just type in FX Academy for me in the comment section. Just type in FX Academy for me in the comment section if you guys understood. Okay, I see FX Academy. I see FX Academy. I see Xbox. For me, I think another class will be. Okay, sorry about that. For me, I think another class will do good. My leader, this was my first class. It is fine. It is well. We all started from the bottom. We are going to be repeating each and everything till you guys master this. I see a lot of people managed to benefit something. I see a lot of you have managed to benefit something, and that makes me proud. Will this recording be posted in WhatsApp group because everything is new and complicated? Unfortunately, all these recordings in WhatsApp groups, they don't fit. I will try, but I don't think they will fit in the WhatsApp group. That's why we created a Telegram channel and a YouTube channel. So it's easier for us to post on YouTube or on Telegram. On WhatsApp, I'm not sure if WhatsApp, because I'm sure this recording is something like 1 gig. So I don't know if WhatsApp will accept this much storage. I will try my best. I will try my best. Yes, with time you are going to catch up. Yes, that's why, you know, so now you have learned how to place a trade. So today your homework is to play around with the MT4. Place trade, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Just see if now you can, buy and sell, buy and sell. And then on our next, we will be teaching how now to analyze the chart. And we are going to place the trades according to our analysis to see if we'll be making a profit or we'll be making a loss. That's why we are practicing on demo accounts. I can see everyone is well understood what we tried to teach so far. Yes, we'll definitely post this in the Telegram group. You just have to give me 20 to 30 minutes after this session, and I will convert them and post them in Telegram and on YouTube. As a trader, you are advised to have Telegram. You must have Telegram, because some files are bigger. We can't post them on WhatsApp. Downloading Telegram is cheap. You buy airtime worth $20 and you convert it into data, you download Telegram. We also have a Discord channel. Let me just try to show you what a Discord is. This is our Discord channel, FX Academy channel. This is where we will be posting all our trade ideas. FX space, we post them here. Trade ideas, we will be posting them here, and you see your trade ideas in here. For indices, we post them here. For commodities, things like oil, gold, silver, those are what you call commodities. I'm sure if since you guys are studying baby pips, you now know what a commodity is, what an index is, what a pair is. And then we also have a section where we'll be talking about like anything that is non-trading talk. And if we want maybe to post jokes, we've got a section for that, where we can, be happy and post our jokes and post our, fun stuff in here. So we've got every section in here. That's our Discord. If you go on Google Play Store, you search for Discord with this icon here. That is the one that we'll be using. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to conclude this meeting because we only have seconds left now. And let's continue practicing. And yes, I will attend to questions in our WhatsApp group and also Telegram. I will post this in Telegram and YouTube. And I'm kindly urging you to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you get to see all our content there. And also, if you like it, leave a like. That will encourage us